Cold press juicer assembly guide. These are all the accessories included with the juicer. Step 1. Attach the juice bowl to the base. Step 2. Place the strainer wiper inside the bowl. Step 3. Align the red dots and insert the strainer. Optional Step 4. For fruit puree, use the yellow puree strainer instead. Step 5. Insert the auger completely into the center of the strainer. Step 6. Place the hopper on top of the bowl. Step 7. Turn the hopper handle to the lock position. Step 8. Add fruit and close the lid. Step 9. Insert the pusher. That's it. Your juicer is now fully assembled and ready to use. Enjoy fresh, delicious juice made with your easy-to-use juicer. Overheat protection reminder. If your juicer suddenly stops during use, don't worry, it may just be the built-in overheat protection working to protect the motor. Let it cool down for about 30 minutes, then you can use it again.